All right. Hi, guys. We are just finished with day 2 of the book fair. Elsie is going to help me pick the lucky winner of the raffle tickets for the teachers. Going to get a $25 gift certificate to come to the book fair and spend $25. So let's see who it is. Shake, 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 shake. All those names. Where did it go? There are all those names in there. Shake, 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 shake. All right, Elsie, hand up high. Hand up high. Pull one out. Just one. Oh, one fell out. Okay, pull that one. Can you get one?
Here, I got it. I am this guy.
Oh, this is more difficult than I thought it would be. One. Just one. Okay, there we go. Who is it? It is it's Alyssa Stewart. Alyssa Stewart, Mrs. Stewart, you have just won $25 at the book fair. So come sometime this week and redeem your gift certificate. Get some free books. Mrs. Stewart! Mrs. Stewart! I can't believe it. Yay!
I thought I'd get a teacher that I wouldn't know their name.
But you knew who it was. That's exciting.